Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the window wiper for this Renault Megane. So the system is pretty simple. You have to press and push towards the window, and after that slide this towards the exterior of this. I took this off. We have over here a hole and there is a small hook. Let me show you. So I slide the wiper. You have to be careful when you're taking the wiper off. There is a hook right over there in the middle, and that hook goes over here in this hole. So it's very simple, right? I've installed this back. We have to slide this, and when you hear a click, that's it. Very simple. If you want to change this wiper, it's easier if you're popping the hood up. See? And from here you can change it easier. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.